Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we've learned about how React works, and in this video, we're going to learn about the React components. Okay, just open the terminal and go to your project folder. And then create new React project. I prefer using yarn. So the command will be like this. And then the name of the project. Okay, when the installation is complete, just go to the project folder as usual. And then to make sure it works, just type yarn start or npm start. Okay, it works. Next, open our code editor. Okay, and then open the project. Close the previous project and then open this new project. React components. Okay, here we are. Okay, first we're going to learn about declaring components. There are two ways to declare a component in React. First is using functional components like this. It's just a pure function, and the second one is using class. How to declare React components using class? So we just gonna refactor this and just comment this one, and then refactor this component using class. So the code will be like this. Return, and then just copy the previous code. Okay, and we will try to. Okay, it still works, right? Because it's just the same, but the way is different. So there are two ways. First, using class component, and then the function component. I've told before that to render our component in our web application, we just using React DOM like this. So we call the React DOM method render, and then the first parameter will be the component, and the second parameter will be our element that where we want to render our component. In this case, this is a component with ID root. Okay, so I'm going to tell you more. Just delete this. About next one is about composing component. So we'll create another functional component here, maybe for only for example, just maybe header, and then okay, we will extract this header out from the previous code. We refactor this, extract this to new component in here. Okay, because it's just another component, so we can call it like this. Okay, this is how to declare component and extracting component and composing component, we can create another component, maybe here, or maybe we can extract another component, maybe this one. We can extract it to image, and then this maybe content, and then this one is a link. Okay, take it back. Okay, so it's empty because we hasn't put the content in here. So just put it one by one, image, and then content, and then link. Okay, if our component has a child, so it will be doesn't have a child, it will be like this, so self-closing type like this. So we will try to create a component with children. We just children actually just a props named children, so we just extract the children props in here, children, and then remove this, and then render the children props, and then we will replace this, the self-closing element, with closing tag, and then put the word in here. Okay, it works. If you remove this, okay, it's gone. Okay, now you know about the how to create component with class or function, and then we have learned about the rendering component via React DOM, and then composing component like this, extracting the our component to some parts, another component, and then composing it to be one like this, and then place it like either. Basically, it's just a tree. You can imagine that this is a component tree. This is the root, and this is another component, and this header components have a children and another children like image, content, link, and link have another children, learn react. So this learn react is passed through props and then render it right here. Okay, this video is going to be short because I will talk a lot about the state and props in the next video. Okay, see you to the next video.